In this short video, I'll show you how to extract data from an image in Excel so you can digitize printed reports for AI processing. First, go ahead and head to the Data tab right here at the top. Now on the left side, there should be From Picture, which is this one. Go ahead and press this one. Now go ahead and choose the first one, which is Picture from File. Now, so long as you have your image in your downloads, you can go ahead and press that one. As for me, it's data example, PNG, insert. Now, Excel will automatically analyze the data and it will try to make do what it has. There we go. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. Go ahead and review to make sure it's accurate. If it's not, like for example, Group 1 is not that accurate, you can press it and input your data inside. It also highlights where it took its reference, which is Group 1. Once you're good with the data, press Insert Data. There we go. Now you know how to extract data from an image in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.